Meme cryptocurrencies, all you want to know. From hot favorites in the crypto world to miffed regulators, India is reportedly close to classifying Bitcoin as an asset class, following in the footsteps of El Salvador's revolutionary decision earlier this month. India's predicted move could have a very positive effect on the price of Bitcoin, as the nation is the world's sixth largest economy. This could open up a $10 trillion economy to Bitcoin investment and daily transactions. About the possibility of India following El Salvador's lead, editor at Invezz, Jayson Derrick said, "Encouraging developments in the move towards greater adoption of Bitcoin aren't limited to poorer countries. India, a G20 member with a $10 trillion economy, is reportedly close to classifying Bitcoin as an asset class." Referring to the trajectory of mainstream adoption of the world's preeminent cryptocurrency, Bitcoin pioneer Max Keiser told Express.co.uk, "India, like all nations, will follow El Salvador and make Bitcoin their official currency. I can say this with 100% certainty because game theory is hard-coded into the Bitcoin protocol, reckless money printing by central banks is unstoppable, and the best safe haven asset in the world is Bitcoin." Many Latin American nations such as Mexico, Colombia, Argentina and Brazil, with economies that struggle with inflationary issues, may follow the example set by El Salvadoran lawmakers who made Bitcoin legal tender on June 8, 2021. The text of the law ratified by the El Salvadoran Congress stated that every economic agent must accept Bitcoin as payment when offered to him by whoever acquires a good or service. Already financial institutions and experts are looking at El Salvador's move as a historic precedent. Avik Roy, president of the Foundation for Research on Equal Opportunity, said the move would transform El Salvador into one of the world's most important financial centers, and affect the way people around the globe use digital currencies. The price of Bitcoin jumped by 12% today, partially in reaction to the announcement that billionaire US investor Paul Tudor Jones would transfer 5% of his balance sheet into the cryptocurrency. Thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe for more interesting videos.